How can I reopen my closed BDO account?
Hello there. Today, we'll be discussing a very common issue, reopening a closed BDO account. Whether it's due to inactivity or you've accidentally closed it, don't worry. We'll walk you through the process step by step. Remember, patience and proper documentation are key to successfully reopen your account.
Can you reopen a closed BDO account?
Before we start, it's crucial to know that not all closed BDO accounts can be reopened. For example, accounts closed by the bank due to fraud or suspicious activities may not be eligible for reopening. You may need to open a new account instead. However, if your account was closed due to inactivity or other non-fraudulent reasons, the chances of reopening are quite high.
Gathering your documents.
First things first, gather all the necessary documents. You'll need 1. Your valid government-issued ID. This is important for identity verification. 2. Your account details, like account number, account type, savings, current, etc., and when it was closed.
Contacting BDO Customer Service.
The next step is to contact BDO Customer Service. Explain your situation and provide them with your account details. Remember, BDO cannot provide specific account details over the phone, so the representative can only give general information about the reopening process.
Visiting your BDO branch.
After speaking with a customer service representative, visit the BDO branch where you opened your account. You'll need to fill out a request form to reopen your account and provide your valid ID for verification. The bank representative will guide you through the process.
Waiting for approval.
Once you've submitted your request, wait for the bank's approval. The timeline for this can vary, so it's best to ask the bank representative about this. Once approved, you will be notified, and your account will be reactivated. And that's it. While the process may seem a bit tedious, with proper documentation and patience, you can reopen your closed BDO account. We hope this guide has been helpful and wish you the best in your banking journey.